Hello, everybody. It's Nancy Mazo at Notably Nancy YouTube channel, where I share tips, tricks, and trending issues for new and veteran teachers. Today, my topic is how to increase your 5-apple feedback like a pro. Okay, I learned something really amazing last week that I didn't know, and I really want to take this time to share it with you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I'd really like you to be part of our community. And if you have already subscribed to me, thank you. I love that you're part of our channel. Okay, let's talk about feedback. I would say in the past 6 months, feedback has been low. Okay, we teachers found out that one of the reasons it was low in the VIP Kid platform is because VIP Kid had moved where parents could leave feedback on the parent app, and it was like complicated for them to get to. Okay, that's been fixed, and my feedback's kind of picking up a little bit, not tons, not like I used to have. Now, what I noticed is this. Okay, here's for example, I was always looking at my feedback on my phone app. Okay, so here's the feedback, and it tells what the parents left, and they left a comment and they didn't leave a comment. Okay, what I did not know that I found out that I want to share with you is that if you go to the teacher's portal, there's a place that says classroom kind of on the top, classroom bookings and feedback. Okay, where it says feedback, if you click, it will show you the parents' feedback. Now, the whole big thing about this and why it's better than the phone app is because there is a place that you can reply to the parents about the feedback you got. Okay, and the other thing I want to tell you is that you have 7 days from the time you get the feedback to reply. So lately, as soon as I realized this, what I've been doing is when I get feedback, I go through the teacher portal to the parent feedback and I reply. Okay, I say, dear parent, thank you, dear mom and dad, thank you so much for leaving your kind feedback, and I really love teaching Bao Bao and looking forward to the next class again. Okay, number one, it helps the parents know that you appreciate they took the time to leave you feedback and that it's important to you. There's a little issue about asking for feedback. It's not always culturally seen as polite what I do, and you can see on my screen I have like 5 apples on the side of my screen, so that it's kind of a little hint like if this was a 5-apple class, please leave feedback. So I hope that will really help me to start increasing my feedback again. I have one more contract before I go on the next one, and on the new tier system feedback. And in order for me to get a raise, I need a certain percentage of feedback. So I hope I'll be able to bump it up so that I could be eligible for that raise. Okay, the other thing that I think will also help your feedback that I do, and it only takes a few minutes a day, is I always send the student an e-card the next day, like in my time zone, because I'm overseas. Basically my busy time for teaching is in the afternoon. So in the morning before I start teaching my classes, and it's like sort of early afternoon Beijing time, I go, let me show you this, but I think most of you know. I go to my students and, okay, for example, I'm just choosing one. Here's Lisa. Okay, now I hope you can see this and it's not too glary. right up here, I could send a gift. The gift could be a card or a gemstone box. Okay, I press that and it brings me up to this. It says send a gift and it brings me up to the e-cards. Okay, the e-cards used to cost us tokens. Now, for the most part, they're free, but just double check before you send it that it is free. Okay, let me show you. Down here are the e-cards, okay, and you press, they're pre-written for you. So if your child has a birthday, you can send a birthday card, grade assessment, get well soon, sorry I missed the class. I feel it's a really great way to keep connecting. So that's it for today. Tip number 1 is go through the teacher portal on your computer to reply to the great feedback that the parents leave you and let them know that you appreciate it. Okay, I'm getting ready, and I hope you're getting ready too, for a great new school year with tons of bookings and tons of feedback. Happy teaching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If there are any particular questions you have or videos you'd like to see, leave me a comment in the comments below or send me an email at notablynancy@gmail.com. I'd love, love, love to hear from you. Okay, everybody, happy summer. Let's have a great year together. See you again next time. Goodbye.